I don't mean to alarm you, but I almost had a heart attack.
Why?
We made it, bitches. I was like, I swear Flume's on the 12th. Why do I think it's on Wednesday? And then I like looked at the tickets and I'm like, holy shit, it's tonight. I'm so glad we finished The Crown last night, or else I would have had to pick between The Crown and Flume. I think literally if that concert was on last night and I missed it, you guys wouldn't be seeing me ever again because I would have been deceased. I am currently in London, which is super exciting as well because I've always wanted to live in London, and right now I'm at a house sit with this little dog called Bo. So yeah, basically I've been doing so many house sits while I'm in England, which makes me feel like I live here, and we are going to be together for 3 weeks. For some reason I just keep getting house sits with Labradoodles, my breed of dog that I have at home. This is my outfit for today, if you can call it an outfit. Basically just a mishmash of everything I can find, because at this point I have worn everything that I brought. I have a dress that I'm wearing as a skirt, a bikini top because it is friggin' hot here in the UK right now, and I've added a vest so it doesn't look so like scandalous on the streets. And as Bo has noticed, I am wearing shoes but not docs. Basically, I got to the UK. Oh, this top is a little bit booby. My Doc Marten Jadens just like would not fit my feet for some reason. I had to make a rash decision and I sent them home. Now I don't have any docs, but we will hopefully soon rectify that in this video. So, bye. Come on. We just bought some sourdough. Literally the heaviest bread I've ever picked up. Which one are we gonna go for? This cat kept following us. It's so cute. Hello. Just walking down the street with us. She's followed us the whole street. Today is going to be so flippin' hot. It's going to be like 36 degrees. In Australia, we'd be freaking out. So I'm taking Bo for a walk early. And then I'm going to spend the rest of the day in the lounge with a fan on. Literally, for the longest time, I've wanted these shoes. And I think today I'm finally going to buy them. I'm going to put
back here, cheese. Back she's back.
Today, we're in Brick Lane. This is the face of a man who's overwhelmed. We're in the food section. I specifically went to Brick Lane this day because I thought there was lots of markets and stuff on, but it's actually a weekday and nothing was on, so we ended up just walking around. There's still a lot of cool things to see. We ended up going to Attica, which is the best thrift store. It's massive. I found this really cool checkerboard dress, but I felt like it was going to be too small. And then I also found these brown jeans, which I was hoping would fit me, but kind of glad they didn't because I don't have room in my bag. We are now back home from our adventures. We got Bo having her dinner, and guess what? We have a package. Look at this glorious box. My gosh, we got some ducks. Now I probably will open this in an unboxing. And we also got literally my favorite artichokes. They're like flame seared. We're gonna snack on those and make some gnocchi for dinner. So can't wait for these bad boys. Hey, Bo. Hi. Hello, Bo. What is going on over here? Gnocchi time.
Why don't you shut your fat little monkey face and hold the bag?
Yum.
Oi.
London. I don't think a trip to London is complete without a visit to Camden, which also coincidentally has a lot of cool Doc Marten stores. Right outside the station there is the British Boot Company, which has a lot of discontinued Doc Marten styles. I was very tempted by all the flower ones, but it just didn't seem practical for my trip, so I had to say no. We're gonna share, right?
Oh, spicy.
We went over to the Doc Marten store, and this one's pretty special because they have a mini museum room that has a little bit of history about all the Doc Marten stuff and super cool photos and one-of-a-kind docs. And not only that, you can head upstairs and you can personalize your own pair of docs. They'll make a custom pair for you. Sadly, when I went in, they were not doing it, but the sales assistant there was so helpful and she showed us everything about it. You can customize everything from soles to eyelets to the color of the shoes and everything. So maybe in the future that'll be something I can do, but hopefully they're doing it now. So if you want your own custom pair of docs, this is the place to go. We found the supermarket which had oddly specific vegan items like baby shark and frog legs. Needless to say, we didn't try any. We got
2 even halves.
totally even.
Falafel.
Also today we're going to Wicked. I randomly booked tickets yesterday. This is like my most wickedy outfit. Yeah, maybe we'll see big old Ben. What time is it? We made it, bitches.
Put it on a more of an angle.
Yeah, I was trying to
Kind of like fall off into the river.
big
Ben. Not so big after all. Look, I can fit it in my hand. No, it's pretty big actually.
snap.
This is London. Welcome to my London trip, everybody. Oh, hey, oh, excuse me. Trying to film something. What's up with the floor? They had a disco or what?
This is me, and this is Nick's head. We got Pokeballs. Mine looks so brown. Wicked. Jungle is massive. Here we have a wild bow. She has found a stick at the park. Might try to get it. So yesterday I made banana bread, and this is all that's left already. But I've decided to have it for breakfast. We're having it grilled. It's a nice sunny day outside. Look at little Bo out there. Today I'm meeting with an internet friend, and if you can hear anything, it's just Bo eating peanut butter. Yeah, I'm super excited, and this is the outfit. We got, a fan in the way, but we got jumpsuit with some loafers and some socks and a hat, and I hope I don't get too hot. Bye, Bo. Which one's the dress again? Which one is it? What the heck is that?
It's like, oh, there's a rainbow bagel
What
as
is
well.
that? Like Play-Doh. Oh no! No!
Shit.
I'm proper shocked. I'll tell you something, I've been coming to Brick Lane for 2-3 years. Every Sunday or every other Sunday I've been watching people play. I've never seen anyone win.
Oh my god.
They must have little ropes in here somewhere.
We're trying to find a sunglasses.
We thought we had them, but
That's not it. We need to. Yeah. Trying to find something like this.
I've been inspired. I think it's an Australian thing, to be honest.
Got falafel. Falafel cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
How cute. It's so awesome that we live in a time where we can randomly meet someone from the internet and become best friends, which is what happened with Chloe and Jack from the Big CJ. They kindly showed us all around London and introduced us to Irish football.
What a game.
You didn't get a sunglasses chain, but you did have your team win.
We'll be on the lookout.
London is not only a good place to meet new friends, but also reconnect with old friends. So while I was there, I did see a couple of people. First up is Annabelle, who I met in uni, who introduced me to the deliciousness of Honest Burger. And then I met with Lily, who I worked with at H&M like so many years ago.
reunited with Jenn.
It looks so good. Yes. Today we're going to Harry Potter Studio tour.
Expecto Patronum!
He tries to think that his shirt, his Crumben shirt, is like a Harry Potter shirt, but it's not. I just dressed kind of studious, I suppose. Do a pose, Nick. What's your outfit look like? We got dogs on. Woo! Bo's gonna hang here. I wonder if they have like vegan butterbeer. Now, I don't know if you pals know this, but I am the biggest Harry Potter nerd. I have loved Harry Potter since I was 5. My Harry Potter book literally says happy 5th birthday.
We'd like to welcome you to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London.
And coincidentally, the movies began the year I started school and ended the year I ended school. Don't do the math, but it felt tragic when they actually stopped coming out of the movies. And yes, I was one of those people who would go to the theatre dressed up as characters. I once dressed up as Snape and also as Dumbledore, and for some reason we couldn't get midnight screening tickets one year, so when I was dressed as Dumbledore, I was walking through the shopping centre at like midday with a Dumbledore mask on my face. So going to the Warner Studio Tour was literally my dream. I have been before in 2016 and I actually never released that video, so I might do that on my second channel at some point if you want to see it. But even though I had been before, there was new things this time, and I just love the behind the scenes of any movie.
Like finally we made butterbeer taste like butterbeer, and then all the vegans like, where's the vegan one?
And seeing all the props, costumes, and just everything everything about it because I am a hardcore fan. So yeah, let me know which is your favorite Harry Potter movie in the comments. I really love The Prisoner of Azkaban, definitely the best movie out of all of them, but feel free to prove me wrong. Goodbye, Potter.
Harry Potter.
Now leaving the Harry Potter studio. That's Wizard's Chess.
It's Wizard's Chess.
Today is my last day here and Bo keeps trying to play tug of war with me. Oh, you got it. So that was my London adventure. As you can see, I'm saying goodbye to Nick in this clip because he had to stay an extra day to look after Bo while I went to the next house sit. So stay tuned for all the next house sits. I have been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, keep wandering.
Jen's obsessed with this little guy's costume. Obsessed.